Good day. I dey here for talk about the political satire episode 2. You know, it's fine for let people let they do them here because if we not do them here, then people are going to caretaker and this family and they go spoil this family. Actually, recently something happened. Oh, the mommy say them for ask the pa, I say them for ask the pa. Oh, hey, I don't know. For all lengthy the way now they in charge, you say them for ask the pa. The pa na the one that to they say for ask you. You know, we need transparency and accountability in this farmland because no one for let this farmland puelo. We want for let this farmland progress. You know, we una be say una no mix so, but now the thing they go. If Alex say una worse pass the one the video, do ya? We no want thief business now because na so thief business dey una dey pa. Then people they are no patriotic one, na original thief man dem. Wey they want thief, then they give themselves project. And when they give themselves project, then they budget excess. Na so dem dey thief. Then people they are na original munku thief man dem. You know, the corrupt system dey na the blood. We this is a reality. I know it's at the top. You know, this farmland, if we not take time, then go spoil am. Now make I dey call with brother then, just like what I be do the last episode. I go call them. I go call them, me Timni brother Sana Benta. I call me Mende brother Kini Brema. I call me Limba brother Sedu. I call me Fula brother Mr. Jallo. I call me Loko brother Lagbai and me Kono brother Kangbai. For they all come because it's a serious business. Because there people I feel bad they possess with the spirit of stealing a happy spirit. A happy spirit because the kind way they happy so there people they are not patriotic one. Na so thief business. They don't get love for this farmland. They hate this farmland. Na so thief. They turn here as a farm for thief and go. Hey, we don't like that. We know they encourage thief man at this farmland. It's very bad. Now make we go we go call that pastor, that Creole pastor, Pastor Christian Cole. We call that Madigopa, Pa Momo do that imam. We go call them, let them can pray. That Creole pastor go can do deliverance from the spirit of stealing because the people they are away. Now the palm tree they take care of this farmland. It's Alex say they don't possess by the spirit of stealing, a yampy spirit. They need forecast that spirit from there. You know, say this farmland we get religious tolerance. So now you can say no call the Creole pastor Christian Cole for let come do the Christian prayer and that imam Pa Momo do that Madigopa for let come do the Muslim prayer. Pa Momo do go do dua. Why Christian Cole anointed he go cast the spirit of stealing. Papa Modi go give pull dua for them so that they go take because it's very bad. Then people they are na original thief man, na original munku thief man, na not patriotic one. Na for thief no more than they are for. It's very bad. This is a reality. Man they suffer, people they think for itself, no they then just sit down, they give themselves project, then they thief. When they want thief. This na serious thing wey say not to laugh business. When they want thief, then they give themselves project. And when they give themselves project, then they budget excess. No care. Then na the beer parlor dey charge while people let dey suffer. The cost of living very high. Na bad thing o. This happy spirit. We for call this pastor Christian go for camp for deliver the people there. Epa Momo for can give dua. If you know to that, this farmland they go spoil and batter. They go spoil am o. It's very bad. People they suffer. Young man they suffer. If you go na Belgium, people they suffer. You go Black Street. You go na Diva, Ayahout, Swazi, Attire base there. People they job not there. People they suffer. Long bench. It's very bad. The people they want can turn their thief. God, God have mercy. I am the spirit there at work. Hey, una be say una no mix so but like as still the thing dey go e feel like say una don pass mark. It's una for change o because we get for make decision 2023. We get for make decision if una continue so not una get I go pull una. Na make say right now this decision we get for make 2023 we get for do background check any person wey we see say na somebody wey na be ayampi wey get that ayampi spirit wey get record of ayampi that person dey we no go give am no position at this family because this family if you no tinap tranga one dem go spoil am. It's very bad. We dey suffer the cost of living very bad. Dem people there na original munku thief man dem sabi thief o. E dey see dem say like na munku but dem fearful. Now they are na budget dem dey thief bra. Dem dey do excess. Dem dey gree the one dem take the 9. It's very bad. It's very very bad.